Hello students, I am Shiv Prasad. Welcome in maths class. Students, today we are going to study maths chapter 3 data handling exercise 3.3. Question number 6 has given take the data giving the minimum and the maximum temperature of various cities given in the beginning of this chapter table 3.1. Plot a double bar graph using the data and answer the following. Okay, first of all we are going to see table 3.1. okay, table 3.1 has given temperatures of cities as on 26 2006. Ahmedabad, maximum temperature 38 degrees Celsius, minimum temperature 29 degrees Celsius. In Amritsar, maximum temperature 37 degrees Celsius and minimum temperature of Amritsar 26 degrees Celsius. Bangalore, maximum temperature 28 degrees Celsius and minimum temperature 21 degrees Celsius. In Chennai, maximum temperature 36 degrees Celsius and minimum temperature 27 degrees Celsius. In Delhi, maximum temperature is 38 degrees Celsius and minimum temperature 28 degrees Celsius. In Jaipur, maximum temperature is 39 degrees Celsius and minimum temperature 29 degrees Celsius. And in Jammu, maximum temperature is 41 degrees Celsius and minimum temperature 26 degrees Celsius. In Mumbai, maximum temperature 32 degrees Celsius and minimum temperature is 27 degrees Celsius. Okay. Now see the question of 6 part 1. Which city has the largest difference in the minimum and maximum temperature on the given date? Second part has given which is the hottest city and which is the coldest city. Third part is given name two cities where maximum temperature of one was less than the minimum temperature of the other. Fourth part has given name the city which has the least difference between its minimum and the maximum temperature. Okay. Now see the double bar graph of question 6. It is x-axis and it is y-axis. It is origin point. Okay. On the x-axis we can show cities like Ahmedabad, Amritsar, Bangalore, Chennai, Delhi, Jaipur, Jammu and Mumbai. On the y-axis we can show temperature of different cities. Okay, here we can take the scale 1 centimeter is equal to 10 degree Celsius. Okay, it shows maximum temperature and it shows minimum temperature. Okay, now see the bar, it represent maximum temperature of Ahmedabad. Okay, maximum temperature of Ahmedabad is 38 degrees Celsius and minimum temperature 29 degrees Celsius. Maximum temperature of Amritsar 37 degrees Celsius and minimum temperature 26 degrees Celsius. Okay, maximum temperature of Bangalore 28 degrees Celsius and minimum temperature of Bangalore 21 degrees Celsius. Okay, now maximum temperature of Chennai 36 degrees Celsius and minimum temperature of Chennai 27 degrees Celsius. Okay, now maximum temperature of Delhi 38 degrees Celsius and minimum temperature of Delhi is 28 degrees Celsius. Now maximum temperature of Jaipur is 39 degrees Celsius and minimum temperature of Jaipur is 29 degrees Celsius. Now maximum temperature of Jammu is 41 degrees Celsius and minimum temperature of Jammu is 26 degrees Celsius. Okay, at last maximum temperature of Mumbai is 32 degrees Celsius and minimum temperature of Mumbai is 27 degrees Celsius. Okay. Now see the first question. Which city has the largest difference in the minimum and maximum temperature on the given date? Okay. Solution of part 1, Jammu. Okay. Second question is given, which is the hottest city and which is the coldest city? Answer of question number second, Jammu is the hottest city and Bangalore is the coldest city. Okay. Part 3 has given, name 2 cities where maximum temperature of one was less than the minimum temperature of the other. Answer of question third, Bangalore and Jaipur are Bangalore and Ahmedabad. Okay. Now last question, name the city which has the least difference between its minimum and the maximum temperature. Answer of part 4, Mumbai has the least difference between its minimum and the maximum temperature. Okay, thanks.